Hi, I'm Mr. Stober. I'm the auto collision instructor here at Gibson Technical Center. Our program is designed to teach students and allow them to hone the skills that are necessary to gain entry-level employment in the collision repair industry. These skills are going to include sheet metal repair, along with body filler repairs, plastic repairs, including both chemical repairs and plastic welding, and MIG welding as it associates to the collision repair industry.
I'm Tyler Kramer. I go to Forsyth High School, and I took this class because I already took auto tech at a different school, and you learn a lot of stuff hands-on, and you learn some touch in the classroom, but it's only like once a week, and it's a first grade class to learn it.
I'm Daniel Jones from Blue Eye, Missouri. I chose this class because I wanted to learn how to work on cars, and I work on cars at home a lot, so I want to know how to do it correctly. I have learned how to feather edge dents out and put glaze coat in them and block sand them back straight, and then I've learned to prime, and we've done a few paint jobs this year.
Okay.
And learn how to take stuff apart. And this will be the next paint project that we do, and we'll be painting it in a couple weeks.
Hi, my name is Toby Garrison. I'm a second-year student here at Gibson Tech. I'm from Chadwick, Missouri. My favorite things about attending here at Gibson is the collision repair program is all hands-on except for the 1-2 days a week of classwork. In this collision repair program, I have learned how to dismantle a door. It helped me get a job in the collision repair program. In that job, I have restored 2 vehicles, a 72 Chevelle SS and a 66 Fastback.
On the paint shop side, we're going to teach you guys how to prep for both primer and base coat paint systems, along with detailing the paint job once it has been completed.